Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about duck typing in Python. So duck typing is the concept where the class of an object is less important than the methods / attributes. So class type is not checked if the minimum methods / attributes are present, and it's derived from the famous saying, if it walks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, then it must be a duck. So all of this will make sense with an example. So here I have a small program written. We have a class duck and a class of chicken, and they both have a walk and talk method with different outputs when printed. So this duck is walking, this duck is quacking. And then you have this chicken is walking, and this chicken is clucking. So let's make an example from this. We have class person, and for this person we want to create a catch method. So def catch, and we want to pass in two arguments. One is self and the other one is going to be duck, because we want to catch the ducks. Okay, so then of course we want to say duck dot walk and duck dot talk, and then we want to say print you caught the animal, for example. And then let's just make a duck object and a chicken object. So duck equals duck and chicken equals chicken and person equals person. And then we want to say person dot catch, and we want to catch the chicken. And if we run it, person dot catch, it runs this method and it says the chicken is walking, the chicken is clucking, you caught the animal. So as you can see right here, it says duck, and here it's saying chicken. Why? Because we said we want to catch the chicken, and if it walks like a duck, if it talks like a duck, then it must be a duck. And like it says here, this is the concept where the class of an object is less important than the methods and attributes. So as you can see right here, the class name is less important than the methods and the attributes, which are walk and talk. These are the methods. So here Python is just checking if it has the walk and talk method. If it does, which chicken does have the walk and talk method, then it just uses this class, because the class name is not as important as the methods and the attributes. So the class type is not checked if the minimum methods and attributes are present. So for example, if I remove this right here, if I turn it into a comment and I run this, it'll give me an error, because the class type is not checked if minimum methods and attributes are present, but here they are not present because the minimum is these two. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please like and subscribe, and as always, the full code will be posted in the comments down below.